Guys, I've got a situation here. You know, in this very deck, there is an ace of spades, but it's not on top of the deck. That's the ace of hearts, right? And it's not at the bottom of the deck, that's the seven of diamonds. However, when I snap my fingers, this happens. OTHMARIUS Magic. Like and subscribe. Now, before I show you how to do this super awesome move of shooting a card from the pack into your or into the air, I want to point you into the direction of a tutorial series of mine covering another very important technique in card magic. For example, I've got a 9 of diamonds here. Now, I'm just taking the 9 and I'm placing it right in front of everybody's eyes with rolling cameras right here in the center of the pack. I rotate the cards once, I snap with my fingers and check out what's happening. That's right, the 9 of diamonds comes jumping back to the top. All right, now let's learn the top shot. That's what it's called, and that's what it's all about. The whole deck gets clipped mainly between thumb and first finger. It's really important. The thumb takes hold of the cards pretty much at the outer left corner, and it's pretty much running parallel to the outer left long side. Now the index gets hold of the cards pretty much at the outer right corner with the tip of the index protruding over the top card just a tiny bit. The secret here is that the tip of the pinky kind of stabilizes the card only. It's not meant to really take hold of the card because it needs to loosen here at this point. Now the other secret is that the thumb kind of holds the card to have tension built within the card. So you need to have the flesh of the thumb, of the tip of the thumb, a little bit of the flesh protruding over the edge of the card, okay? This is the secret. In this grip, all the cards are then just resting next to being clipped between thumb and index finger, resting on the very base of the thumb. With this grip, your other fingers are fully operational. All them fingers that do the pulling motion, a rapid pulling motion, but the pinky is guiding everybody. You know, the pinky is just, you know, doing the main work here. This is how it looks like when the card gets, you know, pulled over. Take a look at the thumb. Some kind of, you know, keeps hold of the card for a certain amount of time before the card flips over. And this is this release of energy you want to produce. When the card gets loosened from the thumb with this snap or with this click, that's the point where you really pull it out. And then the card is supposed to behave like that. It just flies away. So once again, the right grip like this, and I'm shooting the card out. Once again, that's what's happening. And then it's getting time to trying to control this thing and catching the card. And what can I say? Again, this is just, you know, this is just practice and take some time, and then you get a feel for it, and yeah, and then you just go for it. You just go for it. Go for it. Catch the freaking card. Yeah, thank you so much. With only a few cards left in my hand, I want to thank you for tuning in. Smash that like button. Also hit subscribe and notification combo. Also, which is brand new, guys, you can now support me on Patreon if you like. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure more magical stuff is going to be uploaded very, very soon. Also, you can support me now on Patreon, and I would really appreciate learn to speak, you freaking monkey.